An air force is a crucial part of any army. Air superiority provides cover and safety for the troops on the ground. More importantly, fighter jets are a must for every country that wants to keep their airspace sovereign and secure their positions as a prominent military force in the world. With this in mind, let us count down the top 10 most advanced jet fighter in 2020.
Number 10. Dassault Rafale. The Dassault Rafale is a French twin-engine, canard delta-wing, multi-role fighter aircraft designed and built by Dassault Aviation. Equipped with a wide range of weapons, the Rafale is intended to perform air supremacy, interdiction, aerial reconnaissance, ground support, in-depth strike, anti-ship strike and nuclear deterrence missions. Top speed, 1,389 km per hour. Range, 3,700 km. Weight, 9,979 kilograms. The Dassault Rafale has been combat proven and has actively taken part in many wars in the last 13 years. From 2006 to 2011, French Air Force and Navy Rafale fighters were engaged in countless combat missions in Afghanistan where they demonstrated a high proficiency. It is used not only by France, India, Egypt and Qatar also have Rafale in their air forces, and the United Arab Emirates and Greece are buying them too. Number 9. McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle. The McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle is an American twin-engine, all-weather tactical fighter aircraft designed by McDonnell Douglas. Top speed, 3,017 km per hour. Weight, 20,410 kilograms. Range, 4,815 kilometers. A multi-mission avionics system sets the F-15 apart from other fighter aircraft. It includes a head-up display, advanced radar, inertial navigation system, flight instruments, ultra-high frequency communications, tactical navigation system and instrument landing system. It is among the most successful modern fighters, with over 100 victories and no losses in aerial combat, with the majority of the kills. The United States developed newest F-15 Eagle variant with elements of 5th-generation fighter jet features for the defense of its airspace. It still is operated by 3 countries, Japan, Saudi Arabia, and the United States. Number 8. JF-17 Thunder. The JF-17 Thunder is a low-cost, lightweight, single-engine, multi-role combat aircraft developed jointly by the Pakistan Aeronautical Complex and the Chengdu Aircraft Corporation of China. Top speed, 1,960 km per hour. This all-weather, multi-role light combat fighter has remarkable high combat maneuverability at medium and low altitudes. With effective firepower, agility and combat survivability, the aircraft is likely to emerge as a potent platform for any air force. PAF finally received its first jets in 2007. In 2013, PAF began the production of the Block 2 JF-17. The updated jet has air-to-air refueling, better avionics, better load capacity, data link and electronic warfare capabilities. Interestingly, last year, Pakistan Air Force's JF-17 Thunder shot down a Su-30 and MiG-21 of the Indian Air Force within 50 seconds of a dogfight. Number 7. HAL Techus Fighter Jet.
The HAL Tekis is an Indian fighter jet that is replacing the MiG-21, which the Indian Air Force has been using since 1964. The HAL Tekis is a single-engine, fourth-generation, multi-role light fighter jet. Top speed, 2,205 km per hour. Range, 3,000 km. Weight, 6,500 kilograms. The HAL Tekis is very light and has wings that allow pilots to control it during hard maneuvering. Number 6 Eurofighter Typhoon. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a European twin-engine, canard delta wing, multi-role fighter. Top speed, 2,495 km per hour. Range, 2,900 kilometers. It is a fifth-generation aircraft having modern sensors and avionics. Equipped with precision-guided weapons and abilities like supercruise, it is one of the best fighter jets in the world. The combat-proven Eurofighter Typhoon is the world's most advanced new-generation swing-role combat aircraft available on the market and is in successful operation in 7 nations: Germany, Italy, Spain, United Kingdom, Austria, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and the Sultanate of Oman. Number 5 Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. The Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor is an American single-seat, twin-engine, all-weather stealth tactical fighter aircraft developed for the United States Air Force. Top speed, 2,414 km per hour. Range, 2,960 kilometers. In 2009, the program was cut to 187 operational production aircraft due to high costs, a lack of clear air-to-air missions due to delays in Russian and Chinese fighter programs, a ban on exports, and development of the more versatile F-35. The last F-22 was delivered in 2012. The F-22 Raptor defines air dominance. The fifth-generation F-22's unique combination of stealth, speed, agility, and situational awareness, combined with lethal long-range air-to-air and air-to-ground weaponry, makes it the best air dominance fighter in the world. Number 4 Shenyang FC-31. The Shenyang FC-31, also known as the J-31 or J-35, is a twin-engine, mid-size fifth-generation jet fighter developed by Shenyang Aircraft Corporation. Top speed, 2,200 km per hour. The J-31 fighter jet is intended to provide advanced defense capabilities in close air support, aerial bombing and air interdiction operations. It can also perform suppression of enemy air defenses and can be used as a carrier-based fighter on aircraft carriers. Number 3 Chengdu J-20. The Chengdu J-20, also known as Mighty Dragon, is a single-seat, twin-jet, all-weather, stealth, fifth-generation fighter aircraft developed by China's Chengdu Aerospace Corporation. Top speed, 2,100 km per hour. Weight, 19,390 kilograms. Chengdu J-20 has some advantages because of its missiles. Place 15 and Place 21 can hit the objects up to 300 km and 400 km respectively. The canard design is also known to provide good supersonic performance, excellent supersonic and transonic turn performance, and improved short-field landing performance compared to the conventional delta wing design. J-20 is the first fifth-generation fighter jet in Asia. Number 2 Sukhoi Su-57. The Sukhoi Su-57 is a stealth, single-seat, twin-engine multi-role fifth-generation jet fighter being developed since 2002 for air superiority and attack operations. Top speed, 2,440 km per hour. Range, 5,500 km.
While the Su-57 is Russia's most advanced fighter, its cannon has actually been in service since 1980. With a firing rate of 1,800 rounds per minute and incendiary armor-piercing projectiles, this weapon can be deadly at an air-to-air range of 800 meters and an air-to-ground range of more than 1,800. Number 1. Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. The Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II is an American family of single-seat, single-engine, all-weather stealth multi-role combat aircraft that is intended to perform both air superiority and strike missions. It is also able to provide electronic warfare and intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities. The F-35 Lightning II is now the world's most dominant multi-role fighter. The F-35 has now crossed several thresholds that make it the most lethal and cost-effective fighter in or nearing production within the NATO alliance. The aircraft provides a capability America needs to engage in strategic competition. The estimated cost of the F-35 program is mind-blowing. The US government spent a whopping $1.508 trillion on the fighter jet. Although the F-35 has its critics, it certainly cannot be denied that it is the most advanced fighter jet currently in the air.